80. I hope everyone is doing well. So in this video, I'm super excited because I'm finally doing a deep detox wash on my locks. I've been locked for over 3 years, so it's definitely overdue to do this detox. I'm super excited to see the results. I feel like my hair definitely need a deep clean. I'm going to do a 360 turn so that way you guys can see the condition of my hair, and I also need to retwist my hair as well. I have a lot of new growth. I don't retwist that often. I retwist about every 4 months or so. So yeah, I'm super excited to get this done so that way I can have some really pretty healthy locks. So anyways, let me show you guys my hair. All right, so this is the front. Okay, so that's the front of my hair. Okay. And this is this side. As you guys can see, I have grays now. I'm getting old. The girl is getting old, guys. I just turned 41. My birthday was January the 14th. So yeah, 2021. And my hair has grown quite a bit, I would say. So this is the back. So hopefully I'll get some shine in there after I'm done. And let's see how dirty my hair is. That's what I really want to know. Like, how dirty are you, girl? All right, let's see. First, let's talk about what is the purpose of doing a detox. So as you know, lock hair is all tangled together. It's matted hair that's in a lock, right? So basically you do this detox to help lift the dirt and the debris that's inside the lock and help that to come out, to lift out of the hair shaft, right? So that's the purpose of this detox. Now, if your locks are not mature, I do not recommend that you do this. You want to do this when your locks is fully mature, at least a year plus locked. I've been locked for over 3 years. So there's buildup that develops in our locks. It's natural. There's nothing you can do to really prevent that. Of course, you can use less products that will help less buildup, but everyday debris do go inside of our hair from just going outside and, you know, being out in the world. Your hair is gonna have some kind of buildup. Now, when I retwist my hair, I only retwist my hair with water, but I do put olive oil in my hair and everyday wear and tear. Just being out and about in the environment, right? Especially with all the stuff that's going on with the whole virus. Just never know what's like attached to your hair. So it's very important to do a detox every once in a while. You don't want to do this too often. It does dry out the hair, so you definitely want to put some kind of condition back into your hair when you're done, such as an oil. And that's what I'm going to do after I do my detox. I am going to retwist my hair and add some olive oil as well. All right, guys, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and give my head a nice scalp massage and kind of like just help with the debris that's in my hair and help it lift up, you know. So just a nice little scalp massage throughout my, and I must say it feels really good. use really hot water with this mixture, okay? So the first thing I'm going to use is 1/4 cup of baking soda. I'm also going to use 1/3 cup of apple cider vinegar, and I'm using this brand. And I'm also going to use 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, and I'm going to use 100% lemon juice right here, this brand right here. Alright, so the best way to position yourself is to lay on your back on the floor and have a basin under you with some assistance, obviously, or you could get this professionally done at a salon and have them do it. But of course I did it myself. It was a little awkward as far as my position, but I got it done. Alright guys, so my hair is super wet, as you guys can see. I just got my head out of the sink. I'm going to show you guys the water, and then I'm going to rinse my hair with nothing but hot water, and then I'm going to do it again. I'm going to show you how nasty this water looks. Here you go. So this is the water, as you guys can see. Doesn't look too great. It's really brown in there, so we're going to go ahead and get rid of that, and then I'm going to rinse my hair with nothing but water, and then I'm going to do this again. Look how dirty the sink is. Ew. Alright, so this is the second round, and I'm going to show you guys my water. It's still dark, so I'm going to show you guys the water. Anyways, alright, so this is the water. It's not as dark, but to me it's still dark. I'm going to do this one more time, and then I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair. Washing my hair. My hair is squeaky clean. Now I'm going to go ahead and retwist my hair. I really don't want to, but I'm going to do it. I prefer my hair to look like this, to be honest, and just blow dry it, but I'm gonna go ahead and retwist it so that way I just have a fresh look or whatever. And I only retwist my hair with water, just in case you didn't know. I don't add any products to my hair when I twist it. I stopped doing that a long time ago. And my eyes are always super red after I shower, so no, I don't smoke. Alright guys, so I'm finally done retwisting my hair. It took forever. So it definitely was longer than 4 months. So I need to do better than that because I had so much new growth. And yeah, my hair is so clean. Look at the scalp. So fresh and so clean. I love it. I'm gonna try to sleep with these in tonight. I'm gonna try. It's still a little damp, needs to dry. So this is my hair. So I'll show you guys the results in the morning. Alright guys, so I'm done with my hair. I really like the results. One thing that I definitely have to say that I do need to retwist my hair a lot often. It's been a year. I thought it was like 4 months, but no girl, I had so much new growth. And another thing that I've noticed is that I need to get back to really being on a regimen with my hair. You know, locs gave me a lot of freedom. I feel like I kind of took advantage of that because I've been a little lazy. I have not been sleeping with a satin scarf or a bonnet at night, and I've noticed you know, some areas where I can improve. So I definitely need to do that because I want to take care of my hair. I want to take care of my locks because I don't want to be bald. I worked so hard to get here, and for it to be just all damaged at the end is not a cute look at all. So anyways, I'm gonna do a 360 turn, show you guys the results. I really love it. I put some olive oil back in my hair to give it some moisture, and yeah, my hair is so clean. I would definitely be doing this again. Maybe I'll do this again next year. So yeah, really like it. It's really pretty, fluffy, have a lot of movement, and it's nice and full. I just need to maintain the health of my hair. So yeah guys, that is it. If you guys like this video, definitely subscribe, hit the notification bell so when I pop through, you're like, there go my girl. So anyways, that's it guys. Thank you so much for